Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all of my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. I'm back twice in a row. I know. I'm just gonna forewarn you, you're gonna see this shirt in 3 videos back to back. Well, not back to back, there's gonna be a break. But that's okay. You're gonna see the shirt. I don't care. I'm in quarantine. What the hell do you expect? Well, I'm not in quarantine. I'm sheltering in place. All right. Anyway, all right. Because I am staying safe. All right. I'm staying safe. Anyway, all right. All right. Finally, I'm going to talk about this product. I've had this product in my arsenal since January, and we're in April, and I'm just not talking about it. But life happens and things happen. So if you guys want to know about the Melanin multi-use softening leave-in conditioner that is in my hand, stay tuned. Okay, well, as I just told you guys at the beginning of this video, we're going to talk about, yes, I just put my foot up. We're going to talk about the Melanin multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. As you guys see, I've used a quarter of it. And I will have pictures over here on the side for you, but I'm going to talk about it. The product that I use to wash my hair with, I'm going to talk about next week. So I'm going to leave that part quiet for now, but you'll hear about it next week. I did my normal wash day routine with my shampoo, conditioner. Actually, I used this a few different ways. Actually, I used it as my rinse out conditioner, and I used it as the leave-in conditioner. After watching Whitney Natural 85, I watched her video and she showed all the different uses. I mean, as a detangler, a leave-in conditioner, a regular washout conditioner. I think she even used it as a deep conditioner, and also a moisturizer. So you can do a lot with this product, which I think is really great. So what did I truly think about it? So what I did was I picked up the multi-use pure oil blend when I bought this, and I picked up a new jar of the Twist Elongating Style Cream. If you guys want to know how I feel about this, video is going to be above and linked below, because we all know I talked about this, and I believe I really loved it, and I think I really loved it because I bought it again. So what did I think? I'm going to talk about the oil first real quick. This oil is really good. Baobab, argan, and vitamin E. That's what's in here, along with other good stuff. This oil is really good. I really liked it. It's really, you don't need a lot, and that's what I like the most about it. And I love an oil that I don't have to put too much in, which really I don't know of any oil that I have to use too much of. Anyway, it's a really good oil. I really liked it. I liked how evenly it was distributed in my hair, and how it coated my strands to get it ready for the multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. So actually what I did was I used this two-way. I used this, of course, for 2 weeks, as you all know. I did a twist out for 1 week and a wash and go another week. I think I did the wash and go first. My wash and go was not very good. Natural 85, Whitney did a wash and go with these 3 products, and her wash and go came out wonderful. I mean, maybe it was because of the shampoo that she used. I don't know. But my wash and go was not good by any stretch. I'll have pictures over here, of course. My wash and go was horrible. But my twist out, of course, turned out great. And that I'm very glad about that. But of course the twist out turned out great because I had the twisting elongating cream. And I mean, like I said, y'all know how I feel about the cream. But let's talk about the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner to me was very good. I really liked how the leave-in conditioner worked in my hair, how it was really what I liked. I think one of the things I really liked about it, I think it's peppermint in here, and I think this is the smell of peppermint. I love that. and it kind of made my hair a little tingly. It made a little tingly, and I like the tingle. Tingle was great. But like I said, what I liked about it, it did not flake. It didn't make my hair flaky. It didn't make it itch. My hair was very soft to the touch using it. I could have actually stretched actually no, I did stretch the twist out all the way to a week. So which was really good. I like that part of it. But it was a very good product. I really liked it. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut to the chase of would I buy it again? Yes, I would buy this product again. I think like I said, I think it's a very good product. I would definitely buy it again. Okay, since I've already answered the question, it's pretty much it for this video. You guys saw all the pictures on the side. If you guys have any questions about this product, I will have a link to the Melanin hair site below, hair care site below. Can't talk. Haven't filmed. I'm not even going to say in a few weeks. I just filmed last week. You guys got my workspace video last week. So I have filmed lately. So yeah, actually, yeah, all the links will be below, even to the twist elongating review. That link will also be below if you guys have any questions. I'm going to get out of here because I have 2 more videos to film. And I think I'm going to watch the Tiger King reunion, because the after show, because I didn't watch it yet. So, you know, I'm going to go ahead and watch that. I'm going to get on out of here. I got to go. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.